Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to use Manus AI Agent, which is a new and smart AI automation tool that is built to help you get work done faster without writing a single line of code. So whether you want to send emails, summarize the documents, search the websites, or automate your daily tasks, Manus AI works like a personal AI assistant that follows your instructions step by step. So in this video, I will walk you through how you can create your own AI agent, how you can train it using simple steps and use it for real life tasks like customer support or research. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to click on the link that is given in the description and you will be landed at manus.im. Over here, you will have to simply click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. But before signing up, I would like to quickly mention what is Manus AI exactly. Manus AI is an AI-powered automation agent builder. Think of it like ChatGPT but smarter because it can also take action, follow your instructions, and work through multiple steps on its own. It connects with tools like web browsers, APIs, emails, data sources, and it's perfect for businesses, researchers, developers, or anyone who wants to save time. Now that you know what is Manus AI, now is the time to actually create your account here. So click on the sign up option and here you can basically sign up with the help of your Google account and your Apple account. So here you need to provide these details, like you need to select a strong password for your account, provide the email and your phone number. Then you need to fill out this captcha code that is going to verify whether you are a human or not. So after filling this thing, you will have to just simply click on the next option over here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to wait for some time until it shows you further details. Then click on the verify option. Now after providing your email address, you will have to verify it first. Then you will have to provide your phone number and you need to verify that as well. Now once you have successfully created your account, your dashboard should look something like this. Over here you will see this type of section where you can basically type your prompt. In the left hand section you will see all of the tasks that you have created over here. So here you will have to click on the new task option in the left hand section and then you will come on this page. Now you need to give your agent a name. For example, you want to give it a name like research assistant or a customer email bot, let's say. Now you can choose a goal for the agent like find the product reviews online or send a welcome email. You can also assign it a personality like formal, friendly, expert, depending on how you want it to respond. Now over here at Manus AI, you can add abilities. So abilities are what the agent can do, such as opening the websites, scraping the data, write and send the emails, summarize or rewrite your content. You can choose pre-built abilities that are given over here in the bottom, or you can create custom ones by describing what you want in plain English. For example, if I type this particular prompt over here, let's say search Google for the top 3 email marketing tools, visit each site and summarize the features. Now is the time to test and adjust your agent. So here you will have to click on the got it option and wait for it to show you the results. So you will see a run option right next to the agent. Once you have created it over here, you will see a step-by-step action taken and you can basically pause it and change it or fine-tune the results. Now if you want to use it for the real use actions and automations, you can definitely do that. As you can see over here that I have given this in the instruction and it is taking its time to show me the results. You can also compare like three competitors with each other. So you can just provide the prompt over here and the agent will use the real-time browsing to collect the data and present it in front of you. You can also use it for email writing. You can create your agent that can actually read a lead's name and emails. For that you will see a bunch of different options here in the bottom. So you can just select that or you can type something here like read a lead's name and email. So this is the prompt and you can type it over here. Now it is asking you for the paid subscription because Manus AI is not free. You are going to get 1 or 2 responses for free, but after that, in order to keep on using it, you will have to provide the payment details of yours in order to subscribe over here. So once it gave you the results, you can just copy it from here and use it in your project. If you want to rename your project, you can click on the 3 dots and provide the rename option. If you like this response and you want to use it later, you can add it to your favorite section. And if you want to upload any of the files over here, you can do that by clicking on this clipping option. This is already the agent mode, so you don't need to change anything over here. So this is how you can use Manus AI agent in 2025 to automate your tasks, saving hours and boost your productivity. It is smart, flexible, and game changer if you want to work more efficiently using AI. So if this video helped you out, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.